recipe, guys. Today I'm going to show you a homemade cardboard vending machine. It is made out of cardboard and duct tape only. It's super cool. Right there. Pretty cool, right? Here's the slot where the coins go in, right there. And then you can get your money right there. So, and this is where you put the prizes in so people can collect them. And this is where you collect your prize. You just open that and it comes. So, alright. So I'm going to be trying this out today. I got a quarter. Now, we're going to insert it and I think it's going to be pretty cool. So, here we go. Bam. Alright. Now, let's collect our prize. I'm scared. I'm just not going to see. Oh, I feel something. It's just... Alright. Ready? It's a key ring. Where'd that go? Rest in peace, keyring. Like and subscribe and comment down below if you want me to show you how to make this. Really, all you'll need is a cereal box, a Cliff Bar box, a knife, some duct tape, and some scissors. That's all you're gonna need. So, see you guys later. Bye.